Hello and welcome to this short intro to your reKnowledge digital investigative board. This video is meant to get you up and running with reKnowledge in 5 minutes. So let's get started. The first thing you want to do when you log in into reKnowledge for the first time is to create a project to store all the knowledge you will create. Click the New Project button, fill up the card with the relevant information, and here you are. Your project is ready to be used in both the Workbench and the web browser add-on. Next, you will want to install your web browser add-on. Once you've downloaded and extracted the zip file provided, go to your Chrome web browser and type Chrome //extension. Turn on the developer mode and upload the add-on. In the unzip folder, you'll find a dist folder. Select it and click on Open Folder. And here is your web browser add-on. You just need to log in and select the project you've created and you are good to go. Going back to our workbench, we will now customize our ontology by creating a new node subclass and a couple of connections. Although the beta version comes preloaded with a few node classes and connections, the value of reKnowledge lies in its flexibility and ability to be customized for different needs. Say we want to create a product node class to capture information and knowledge related to certain product. We'll keep things simple. In the item class, I'll create a new subclass and give it a name, product. Next, I choose an icon to represent the class. We'll also add a couple of properties to illustrate how this works. If you want more information on how to customize your ontological schema, check out our tutorial on ontology and the ontology editor. Your environment also comes with pre-populated connections. But to illustrate how you can quickly tailor it to your needs, we'll create a couple of connections that will be useful for our newly created node class. For instance, let's create a by connection. First, we assign the connection type. Here, we are dealing with an asymmetric connection, meaning it has a different meaning in one direction and the other. So we will need to give a mirror value, in this case is both by, and click the directed tick box. Next, we assign the relevant node classes to which this connection will apply. So here, I could either specify the connection to only apply to the subclass product, or I can choose to have the connection apply to the parent class, in this case item. Doing so will mean that the by connection will be available not only between an entity and a product, but also between an entity and any other item. Once we have defined the node to which our connection applies, we will customize the connection properties we want for that particular connection. Having customized our ontology, we can now add data to our knowledge base. Here, I'll show you how to create nodes and connections directly in the workbench. Let's create a company node and a product node. And now we can create a connection called produce between those two nodes. I can also add another company node and create a by connection between that company and the product. And here you are. You're all set up to use reKnowledge. Enjoy!